Then he does the punk dance. The punk dance. He does the punk dance. The punk dance. Touched a cigarette but tried to smoke a joint. He coughed and soon he felt regret, just screaming, what's the point? And every time he saw this girl, his face would turn to red. Even though he told the guys he got her into bed. But when you see him at the table, he turns out to be rather stable. And when the white ball hits the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club. Then he does the punk dance. Put my backpack on to do my thing, but the bouncer wouldn't let me in. He just stood there with a stupid grin. Last time I went on crying, but I kept trying, cause he don't know the moves that I'm supplying. I'll take my glasses, I'm gonna bounce back up and kick some asses. I've waited long enough. You think you don't control me. You think you heard me say that I'm freaky. You're just afraid I'm here to stay. Just cause I'm different, I should've walked away. You think you want me, that was your. 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 You're a freak, don't belong cause you're alone and weak. But I'm just as cool as I am geek. Mr. Power, I am all on fleek. And this time I won't be crying, no I'm not buying. You know the sign is the moves that I'm supplying. I'll take my glasses, I'm gonna bounce back up and kick some asses. I'm about to call your bluff.